This show is not just for show.
Mechanical Eagle Z77. It has a backlight for 80 all keys right here, 87 keys, but it doesn't have the number pad. So if you don't mind not having the keypad, then that's good for you. It's cheap. It has like 9 modes. So basically, you go functions. You got this one. And you could also customize from function 9 and function 0. Also, you can do a function insert, and the 9 modes is in this one. And the one I showed you from 1 to 9 and 0, that's for the gaming mode, which you can see on their instruction for which games you could use that from. But for the 9 and 0, you can customize it for your own. It has Windows lock, which is good if you're gaming, so you don't interrupt. Windows lock. You got customized lighting right here. Multimedia on the top. The finish on top is bright, aluminum brush. You can't see it because it's dark. I want to see the illumination right now. And the entire thing after that one is mostly plastic. There is no palm rest, but it's kinda, for the price, is good. Still good. Got the cons would be there's no key puller tool right here, but no palm rest. I said that. No keypad. The lighting in this one cannot be changed, so this is permanent. What only you could do is like customize which keys you want to be lighted. You can do the function keys, brighten up the light, slow it down. See right now it's super slow. Modes. The modes are kind of fun. You can play around with it. I've been using this one for like 2 or 3 days for like CSGO. It's clicky noise right now. It's MX Blue Switch 2. For the price, I can't say that bad, and this is the first mechanical keyboard I have been using, so I can't compare to other brands. But if you're a beginner, or let's say you're buying first time having a mechanical keyboard, it's kind of good to try a cheaper one first, if it's for you, or if it's for you, it's for not, or not. So yeah, for gaming, clicky noise right here. Everything is nice. I got it in a package. The package is just a box right here. The box has a small wrapper for the keyboard, instruction, and the keyboard itself. It's not braided, but for the price, you can't say bad about it. Also, the illumination at night is pretty bright right now. Right now, you turn it off. Brighten right here. Some modes are cool. When you press it, it lightens up, like this one. There should be a snake. This is just like a breathing mode. Oh, there's the snake right there. It would be change again. Or you could go into customize right here. I tried to customize the 9th. Oops. I guess he got cancelled. Not here yet, babe. Not here. Not here. No. Functions. Clicky noise and tabs. And that should be 1 kilogram. If you pull out the keys, it easily takes off. If you easily, like, you just pull it upwards, you'll see the keys. Put it back if you want to clean it up. But if they had the key puller, that would be way easier, but you could just create your own. So this is the Mechanical Eagle again. If you like it, it's on Amazon for like 49 bucks right now. Free shipping. And like the video if you like it.